Good afternoon, traders. We have Google just reported the quarterly results down $8. You can see that big 15-minute sell bar straight down. I'm going to get the report. Then Microsoft will be next. So once again, Google has got a big downside move. There'll be a conference call. We'll find out what the earnings exactly. This is what happens when you get overbought stocks going into the earnings. And Google was overbought and it's down $8. We'll see what kind of recovery we get. Once again, sign up for the free 5-day trial program. You can trade the markets with us. Tommy Trader will power you every which way. Once again, we'll find out more headlines. This is live in the market hours. We can see we're down in Google by $9.73. That will gap the futures down. The futures in the NQ down 173. We'll be back momentarily.